Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the Forgotten Tool quest in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the quests from this update. The quest is called the Forgotten Tool quest, and this is the quest detail. And if you want to start this quest guys, you need to complete the quest from this scientist first, the scientist Jameson. Okay, and to complete this quest I've already made a video and you can watch my previous video. And after completing the quest from this scientist Jameson, you can go to this lab. You can do this quest only after you finish the quest from the scientist Jameson. Okay, you can talk to the scientist Lucille and you can click on I have the samples you request from the scientist Jameson. Okay, and after that this quest will be started, the Forgotten Tools. And you need to go to this area guys and pick up the Sims tool. Alright, and go to the Crater Island to finish the quest. Okay, I've already grabbed the scientist Samantha's tool and we need to go to the Crater Island and give the tool to scientist Samantha and we will get 15k coins. Okay, let's move to the Crater Island. Okay guys, I've already arrived on the Crater Island and then we can talk to this NPC. Okay, and then the Forgotten Tool has been completed guys, and then this NPC will give you a new quest. Okay, and that's all the way to finish the Forgotten Tool quest in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depth update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.